Thanks, Stephen. Next, we have Marj with an amazing organization. So, Marj Ratel founded a group back in 2000, so it's been more than 10 years, called, now, again, this is new to me, Korle-Bu. Yeah? Is it Korle-Bu Neuroscience Foundation, which actually means in the valley by the sea. So, very nice mental image. She's actually a nurse as well here in Vancouver. And the foundation is actually a registered charity with a global reach and has earned the support and respect of medical professionals, government officials, and caring people from around the world. The focus is on providing medical support for brain and spinal injuries to the people of Ghana and West Africa as a whole. So I'll give it over to Marj, and as Joanna mentioned, she has also brought some colleagues with her as well.
Yes, thank you very much for this opportunity, Joanna and the Simon Fraser team. Really a great delight to be here tonight. I have 5 of our board members here tonight, so it's real special. Where are they? Well, okay, raise hands, board members. Jocelyn Lapointe, she's founding, and she's the secretary of the foundation. Dr. Kojo Asante, founding director, as is Derek Ajapam-Poku. And John Motosubi is over here in the corner, and he's our finance chair. And he's from Uganda, so we've got soccer competitions when we have discussions between Ghana and Uganda. So thank you very much for that introduction. It's a real honor to be here tonight. Indeed, Dr. Spiegel, you were totally right. One of our emphasis in our organization is that we are partnering with Ghana to build contemporary neuroscience health care for the nation and the West Africa region. And I emphasize that every step of the way we are partnering with them. This is truly a partnership. And we have a multinational team across North America and West Africa, many of them members of the diaspora, that join together with us to help make this project a reality. Talk about stories. Well, in 1999, a doctor, the first Ghanaian-trained neurosurgeon, came to Vancouver to conduct 1 year of a fellowship at Vancouver General Hospital. And over the course of that year, he approached me one day in the intensive care and said, "Marjorie, would you ever consider going to Ghana to train my nurses?" And right then I felt that was a crossroads moment for me, and I accepted the challenge and brought 3 other nurses in to join with me from UBC and around. And then in the fall, approached the Ghanaian community through the Consul General at the time, who's Dr. Herbert Elsop, and met with the Ghanaian community, and we have been partners ever since. And in actual fact, it's an official partnership with the Ghana Association of British Columbia. Well, first off, we started by providing nursing resources for the neurosurgery nurses, and then we moved on to developing a sisterhood agreement between Vancouver General Hospital and the Korle-Bu Teaching Hospital. And one of the things that was of real import was the development of trust and respect with our Ghanaian counterparts, both in Ghana and here in North America. So one of the examples, and I'll be very brief, goes that the High Commissioner came out from Ottawa, the Ghanaian High Commissioner, to sign the sisterhood agreement, and I took him into the basement of the Vancouver General Hospital and showed him all the beds that were being donated for Ghana and for the Korle-Bu Teaching Hospital, the regional hospital of the area of West Africa. And he kept asking me, "What's wrong with them?" And I kept saying, "There's nothing wrong with them. They're manual beds. We're moving to electric here in British Columbia." And he kept, every step of the way, he kept saying, "Well, what's wrong with those beds?" Finally, he looked at me and he said, "There's nothing wrong with those beds." And that was the beginning of a trust relationship. And then on top of that, Dr. Adam Mills, the president of Ghana, he was instrumental in us getting going over in Ghana and creating a real sense of trust and credibility as we launched our project over there in 2002.
Marj, do you want to introduce your colleagues?
Oh, yes.